Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find commit ID on GitHub. Whether you're tracking changes, debugging code, or collaborating with your team, knowing how to locate specific commit IDs is an essential skill that will make your version control workflow much smoother. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username or email address, followed by your password, and click the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your GitHub dashboard where all your repositories and activity are displayed. Now that you're on your dashboard, take a look at the left panel. This is where you'll see a list of all your repositories. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific repository where you want to find the commit ID. This will open up the repository's main page, showing you all the files, folders, and recent activity for that particular project. Once you're inside the repository, look just below the green code button. You'll notice a commits button right there. This button is your gateway to viewing the entire commit history of the repository. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated commits page where every change made to the repository is chronologically listed. On the commits page, you'll see a complete list of all commits that have been made. Take a moment to scroll through this list. Each commit entry displays important information, including the commit message, the author, the date it was made, and most importantly for our purposes, the commit ID. You'll find the short commit ID displayed on the right side of each commit entry, right next to the commit name. This ID is a unique identifier that represents that specific set of changes. If you need to use this commit ID elsewhere, whether for referencing in a pull request, reverting changes, or checking out a specific version, GitHub makes it incredibly easy. Simply locate the copy button next to the commit ID you're interested in and click it. This will copy the commit ID directly to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need it without any typing errors. And there you have it, you've successfully located and copied a commit ID from GitHub. This simple process helps you keep track of your project's history and makes collaboration with your team much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.